The final step, the hem, is completed in the same fashion as the neckline by folding 1/4 inch of the raw edge to the wrong side and pressing, and folding over another 1/4 inch to encase the raw edge. Starting at the side seam, edge stitch the hem in place 1/4 inch from the bottom edge. Use pins as needed to hold the hem in place while sewing. This step wraps up the Miranda dress. Congratulations, you're all done! If you like this tutorial, be sure to leave me a comment below or like this video. Thank you so much for joining me today and supporting my pattern business.